For this week's video, I'm going to be telling you what I got from Jeulia Jewelry. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss La, and on this channel I talk about things in regards to beauty, business, and motivation. Before we jump into the video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell for notifications. I do post up new videos often, and you don't want to miss any tips, tricks that I have for beauty, business, and motivation. So for this week's video, I'm super excited about it. I did get some jewelry from Jeulia Jewelry. They reached out to me a couple of weeks ago and said, hey, we'd like to send you a piece of jewelry, let you know your thoughts on it, and we'll give you a discount code also for your subscribers. So that's what we're going to be talking about for this week's video. So in researching about Jeulia Jewelry, I found out some great things about the company. The company does produce premium artisanal jewelry. Their jewelry has a 15-step process when they make their jewelry, and the whole purpose of the jewelry pieces that they make, they want to invoke like feelings. They want you to feel all warm and fuzzy when you wear the jewelry. They want it to be sentimental pieces that you purchase. So I did like the motto of the company. I also learned that the company is headquartered in Hong Kong. I literally had no idea about that. And one of the things I liked about Jeulia Jewelry was that they are good about giving back a certain portion of some of their collections that they have. So they do participate or give back to two specific charities. The first one is called the OCEANIC, I think I said that right, OCEANIC Preservation Society, and they're all about cultivation of our seas, or of cultivation of the seas. And the second one is called the Give Back Society, and the Give Back Society is huge on planting trees. So the Jeulia Jewelry has certain collections when you purchase like they'll donate maybe $2 of the proceeds of whatever the price is goes towards those organizations. So I really thought that was nice. So when I went on the website to kind of look at the different pieces, I did notice that they have quite a few different stones. And what I liked about the stones was the stones are really more scratch resistant than your everyday stones. As far as the rating, the stones rate from, I think, like about an 8 or a 9 out of a scale of 1 to 10. So when you purchase it, the metal is durable and it will last you a long time. Like I said, they have a lot of different stones. The ones that I remember are like the sapphire blue, the ruby red, the diamond white. You can go on their website and you will see so many stones and so many great design pieces. Another good thing about Jeulia Jewelry, which I look at when I look at different companies, is their reviews. They had over 37,000 reviews. That's a lot. And the average, they got really good scores. Like out of a score of maybe 1 to 5, they averaged like a 4.8, 4.9, so almost a 5, so not bad. So that signals to me that they're big on customer service and they like to make things right. They like to be somewhat transparent about their products. So I really like that. And like I said, they have over 37,000 reviews. So if you want to check out the reviews to see what people are saying, there's a lot there for you to see. So as far as the products, when you do purchase something, they do have a 1-year warranty. They also have a 30-day return and exchange policy. And they also offer, or they have different payments in which you can purchase your products. So they offer PayPal, they take all the major credit cards, and they also have Western Union. Now the one thing I do want to caution you, if you use Western Union, they do have a minimum order amount of $300. So just make sure you're aware of that if that's one of the options that you want to use. So this is the box that my bracelet came in. And this is a really cute box. I really like that. So what I'm going to do is show you exactly what comes in the box. So the first thing you'll have is your little velvet packaging, which the item will probably be in. My bracelet was in here, so this is really, really cute. So you'll get that. And then also you will get a card that talks about the returns and exchange conditions and policies. So that will be in there. And then next you get a thank you for your purchase. So hopefully you guys can see that. So that will be in there as well. And just to read to you on the back side of this, it does say introducing the Jeulia Rewards program. And it says a new way to reward yourself. Just a few of their benefits are free standard shipping, no minimum, points for your purchase, return shipping fee reimbursement, so if you have to send something back, priority service, and a birthday gift credit. So that is in here as well. And then also there is a 15 and a 50% off coupon, but you won't need that because I am going to include my own personal coupon codes for you to use, so that'll be in the description box. Also in the nice little shipping package that they have, there's a nice little brochure here, and in this brochure, I'll try to turn it around so you guys can see. Don't mind my nails because I gotta get them done, but like in here they just have like different pieces that they have. So they have some really, really beautiful pieces that I would love to have. Like that's, look at that, you see that? What's that? Oh my god, you see that bracelet? That bracelet is so cute. I may have to go back and order that. But they have different things that they have for you to purchase, and like I said, we'll have a coupon. And then also I think I remember looking in here, oh yeah, so like right here, if you can see that, this is called the Tree of Life collection, and it says $2 per unit sale of each product in the Tree of Life collection will be donated to Give Back to Nature. I think I said Give Back Society, but that's wrong. It's Give Back to Nature, whose first goal will be to help plant 1 million trees in developing countries, thus rebuilding the natural landscape destroyed by deforestation. So like I said, it says it right in this brochure. They're big on giving back, so they do have different collections. If you purchase something, then they will donate a certain portion to that specific charity. So just remember that. And then next we have, well, this is the last thing. This is another little Jeulia bag. There you go. So this is neat. So you get this bag, plus you get this bag as well. So if you're giving something as a gift, then you have two nice gift bags that you don't have to go out and purchase. Those are included. So now to show you the actual jewelry that I got from Jeulia. This is it. This is the Jeulia Arrow and Heart Bolo bracelet, and this does retail on their website for $93, but I do have a coupon code and it is on sale now, so you can use that with the code. And this shipped to me in about 6 to 7 business days. And this is made out of 925 silver, and I really, really like that it's made out of 925 silver, because 925 silver generally holds up much better than your regular silver, and it doesn't tarnish as easily. So this is made out of 925 silver, and the inspiration behind this, as you can see, it has 2 hearts here, and then there's also the Cupid's arrow. This signifies the love between 2 people, so this would be a good present for like couples, or you could use it like for your mom, because it just signifies love between 2 people. And then what really attracted me to this was the adjustable bracelet. So if you can see that, I'll try to turn it here. If you can see that here, this is adjustable. So what you would do is this pulls out just a little bit, and it pulls out further than that, and then you would just like push and twist, and it's right there, adjustable. So that was really a nice feature of it, and I really like this bracelet. It's nice, dainty, love it. And like I said, this does retail on their website for $93, but it is on sale, and I do have a coupon code. And once again, this is the Jeulia Arrow and Heart Bolo bracelet. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Before I do sign off for this video, I want to say thank you to Jeulia Jewelry for reaching out to me and sending me this beautiful bracelet. I so appreciate it. And in the description box, I will have a coupon code. There will be two. So there will be a coupon code for 30% off. And then the 30% off, I think it's like buy one, get one, and you get 30% off. And then the other one will be 10% off site-wide. So I'll put both the coupon codes for that in the description box. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell for notifications. I do post up new videos often, and you don't want to miss any tips, tricks that I have for beauty, business, and motivation. Have a great day, guys. Bye.